paint shop here in Rancho Cordova. And Kevin's been wanting to paint his NSX, and it's been the longest time. Finally, he decided that he's going to paint it. He brought it here. So he decided to paint the car black. You know, you gotta take out all the wraps here. I mean, the car is originally black. We got the front lip here, downforce. Kevin's gonna be putting on this front lip. This is beautiful carbon fiber. Look at that. That'll be going to the front of that NSX. Plus he has his sides, the side skirts. These side skirts will be put on to replace the other side skirts. I think the ones he has here are Stacy sides. And then this front lip will be replaced. I think you should paint the wheels too. But this is the start of Kevin's NSX. And it's finally getting put together and worked on.
Still the same, just the mirror.
The mirrors?
Yeah, we'll take the mirror off.
The mirrors, this is wrapped, so this needs to be painted.
Yeah, so we're gonna unwrap that and then we're gonna wrap
But
it.
this will be all taped up. This will be black and then carbon fiber in the inside. All right. And then this is all wrapped. This will be taken out and painted black.
Yes.
This whole roof is gonna get painted black.
Yeah.
The vent here, it's carbon fiber. He doesn't want to paint that.
No.
We're gonna leave that.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that alone.
Okay.
We're gonna remove, I mean, yeah, we
This is carbon fiber,
Yes.
so we're gonna leave this.
Yes.
He's not painting this, right?
No, this piece is the same.
Okay. That stays carbon fiber.
And this piece, the spoiler is staying the same.
Okay.
Staying the same black.
It looks clean already.
Yeah, it looks super clean. And we have a new side skirt that's coming in.
Yep. Did he say anything about the wheels? You want to paint the wheels?
He didn't say anything on it yet, but I would love to. Yeah.
You can clean it up and just paint it black and put a clear coat on it.
Yes, or like a little different offset color, whatever you like.
Bronze.
Yeah, there you go.
Bronze look good.
Yeah, it's a little satin or something, like almost like that, a little darker. Yes.
Yes. Tell him.
Yes.
Kevin, we can paint your wheels too.
Yes.
And redo your calipers over.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever color you like, right?
Yeah. And this is gonna be black anyways.
Yes. So
it
we
looks
pop
black.
the
Yeah.
bit off and prep it, and
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Okay.
Hello, my name is Da, and welcome to Seaworks. And over here we do custom repair, collision, and we're gonna unwrap it and we're gonna give it a whole new change, a whole new color.
So you used to work for David Tran over at Diamond Auto?
Yes, correct. So I was there, I couldn't remember the exact year, but I was there for about 5 years. And when everything...
They were super busy there.
Yes, they're super busy. There's always work, and I learned a lot at Diamond too, you know, with all the custom and everything. So yeah, being at Diamond just kind of...
And then you build up your reputation being a painter.
Yes.
And now you have your own shop.
Yes, now
Hell
I have
yeah,
my own shop
that's
at
really
Seaworks.
good. Seaworks, Southeast Asian collision.
Yes.
And this is what they do. They paint cars, they work on cars, whether it's through insurance purposes or you get the money, come down here and get it done.
Hello guys, so this right here is our spray booth. Welcome in.
Let's take a look. All right, the paint booth here, guys.
So this is spray booth right here.
This is where the cars get painted at.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
The frame machine, it run about like 10 to 15 grand.
Oh, that's not too bad.
And this right here is my toner. I mix everything in house. Everything we use is PPG and.
Hey guys, this is just part one of Kevin's NSX, so stay tuned for part two. Being unwrapped, about 80% done.
Yes. So once we get on it, it'd be real fast. You know, we remove the bumper, and you know it's R9 and everything, and that way I can start sanding and doing some
next week
and primer.
In a few more days or so.
Yes. So yeah. So
it's coming along, guys. Kevin's Lime Green NSX is here at Seaworks Auto here in Rancho Cordova, off of Mercantile, and Da here is going to be working on it. and it's coming along. All the wrap's been taken off. A few other pieces left, but it looks good black too.
Yes, it does.
Look at this.
I can't wait to see a full, full one color.
Yeah. Oh, it's still sticky here. They need to sand it. Still sticky.
No, this dude, he's just fresh. Hello guys, welcome back. So we got Kevin NSX over here. We got the wrap all stripped out. We got everything all breaking down, and right now
Took off all the pieces.
yeah, taking all the pieces, almost ready for primer, and just got to go to
So you guys started working on it, sanding it down already.
yeah, we started sanding it down. We took all the wrap and everything off, and
Look at that. Even
took everything out. I need to pop this off still.
the door handles are taken off. Yeah.
Yes.
And the vents.
Vents.
Is the vents gonna be repainted too?
Yes, everything.
Black, huh? It's gonna be. He wanted black.
Yes. So everything's
Cool.
gonna be black. Yeah. Took the light cap off, and I'm touch this later. Yeah.
This is gonna be buffed out.
No, this one I'm gonna paint it and do a design.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
That's what he wanted. He wanted repaint the hood black, but he wanted to leave the carbon fiber inside,
Yes.
so it has some carbon fiber accent still.
That would be nice.
Yeah, very good.
Yes.
All right, it's coming along here, you guys. Here at Seaworks.
Thank you so much.
Side markers are out. The mirrors are gone. Look at even the keyhole's been taken out. The vents are taken out. So what we're looking at this time around is the car's been fully stripped down and been sanded, and looks like it's been taped up all around and going in for primer. All the pieces are off. They had to remove the door panels to get into all the pieces, to get into these pieces, and like the door handle and stuff. The mirror's out. But it's looking good, guys. These cars are getting worked on too. This is an old school Lexus GS with a little wide fender, wide body. Dawes paint booth. Man in there doing his thing.
Hello guys, welcome back to Kevin Cars Part 3. So right now we're getting all wrapped up with primer. As you can see, we just have to mask a little bit more, and then we'll
A little bit more masking, yeah, on this side.
A little bit more masking. I will do the rest inside the spray booth. And as you can see, everything is coming out really nice.
Oh, this side's already all masked up.
All masked up. So,
It's looking really smooth.
yes.
You guys did
Yeah, we feathered out all the rough edge and everything.
Yeah.
Make it all smooth.
ready to go.
Yeah, so after we put on a couple coats of primer, we'll block everything back out, and we'll see where we go from there. But
Yeah.
overall, the body and everything looks really
Looking
straight.
smooth and straight.
Yes, really smooth and straight, so I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it
Yes.
for sure. And then and these pieces on the bottom here. So what's up with these pieces on the bottom?
On the bottom is the bracket for the lower side.
Oh yeah, for the bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
And is that gonna get repainted, or is he
Yes.
gonna put new ones on?
Yeah, so we're gonna get we are going to paint it, and whether we want to get a new one or whatever, so we will get it ready.
Sure.
Yes.
And it's already sanded down.
Yes.
Let's go take a look.
Yes. So we have,
Oh, this is his front bumper.
yes, this is from bumper and all the other pieces.
All the other pieces on the NSX.
Yeah, all the knickknacks.
So these are all the side vents,
Sides,
the headlights, spats.
Yes.
It's all spats. And it's gonna get sanded down and Put it on.
Hi, Kevin.
What's up, dude?
Yes.
So there was the screws right there. How did you get that screw out?
Actually, let's see. So, once the bumper is off,
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so you took off the bumper and you
Yes.
get the screw out.
Yes,
That was the
yes.
easier way. The whole bottom here had to come off.
yes, this whole bottom.
So it was easier to take that off after this
Yes.
comes off.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
Wow, this guy's serious, huh? Look,
Oh, yes.
you want to fucking party.
Yes. Oh, wow.
What? Man, Kevin, this is the owner of NSX. He's the owner. He brought a party in here.
Oh, party.
Yeah, we're gonna get drunk and then spray paint the car while we're getting drunk.
You guys coming
Looking good there.
pretty soon.
Maybe another 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, 2-3 weeks.
Well, guys, a few days later, the car has been primered. It's looking really smooth here, looking really good. Everything's been taped up and the primer came out really nice. Body is straight, looks really smooth. The trunk looking good. The rear quarter panel looking good. The doors are looking smooth. Thanks to Seaworks, Triggerman Da. Good job, buddy. Yo, what's up, guys?
What's going on?
Yeah, so I just pulled up to Seaworks Collision here in Rancho Cordova, and I have not seen the NSX yet, but it's completely 99% done.
About 90.
90%.
Yes,
Okay.
it's 99. Yes, I'm just
Okay, so it's about 90% done on the NSX, and I'm gonna take a look at it.
Yes, yes.
Let's go. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Here we go. Wow.
Don't worry, I'll make you surprised.
And these are Kevin? You said this is the mirrors for the NSX.
This one,
So you're gonna go red?
yeah, go red.
I've seen cars like that.
Yeah, but fiber carbon outside.
Oh, I get it.
And
Oh,
just little red, show.
yes, very nice.
Don't worry, I got the new style.
Dude,
man.
where did you buy the carbon piece?
Huh? I'm gonna have
Wrap?
Imperial wrap
yes.
for me.
Okay.
Imperial.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have Imperial wrap for me, cover up to here. Just so a little bit red, cause
Yeah, it shows a
my
little
car
trim.
have too much red, black.
Got it. Wow, looks amazing. Looks good.
You didn't make no mistake.
Yeah, no mistake. Yes.
No mistake. No run, bro. Especially black.
Yeah, very nice. So clean. And then the exhaust is next.
Exhaust and fiber carbon.
Yeah.
I have to wait 2.5 months to get it.
No.
On the rear diffuser. Custom
Yeah.
made for me.
Okay. Oh, clean. Looks good here. Hey guys, this is the NSX's, the mirrors is painted red. The car is almost done. There's the front lip, carbon fiber. The hood was carbon fiber, painted black, but the inside has carbon fiber actions on the inside. The side skirts are put in. These are new side skirts. The car is looking clean, but these are the mirrors for the NSX is painted red, but it's not done yet, so it's not going to be all red, so you guys got to stay tuned for that. Hey, what's up guys? We're here at Seaworks and checking up on the NSX. It's been a few days, and the last time that when I was here, the cars was still getting the pieces put together. The mirrors was painted, but it wasn't put on. So I'm back at Seaworks here, and I'm gonna check up on it. And so far, the mirrors, everything's been put together.
Everything's all together. We're just waiting on the final touch, cut and buff, and we're getting so close. Yes.
So the mirror's on the car. It
Mirror's
was
on the
painted
car.
red. No, it's not on yet.
Not on yet until we buff it, and then we'll put that final piece later after.
Okay, the car's looking fresh last time I saw it.
So it's right outside in our garage, and
Okay, you guys want to go check it out? Stay tuned.
okay guys, so let's check out the NSX. It's right over here.
Wow, looks good. Look at this, looking fresh. The mirrors are red, but it's gonna get wrapped black. Like in this area, it's gonna get wrapped black, and just like maybe a little bit of the red trims that's gonna be showing. But all the pieces are together. The spoiler's not on yet, but we'll see how it looks like. Okay, put on the spoiler. We'll take a look. That big wing there. Don't scratch it. Yeah, be careful. Don't scratch it. The wing is red. It's red to match the red mirrors. The interior, the door panels, everything's put back together. Looking good. And there you have it, you guys. And there you have it. Look like the car's done. He's just waiting on the T37 bronze. When he get those wheels to be put on, but we're riding on these for now. Car's looking amazing. The red wing there, it looks good with the red mirrors. The mirrors are done. Kevin's excited. He's gonna be cruising with us on Saturday. All right, man, this paint is looking fresh, looking smooth. I mean, look at this. Look at the reflections on this. It's been cut and buffed. I mean, looking nice. I mean, if you guys need a car to get worked on and painted and do it right, you guys got to go to Seaworks Collision in Rancho Cordova. Look at this. Let me feel this. Oh my God. Look at this. So smooth. Like butter. Seaworks Collision, Rancho Cordova. Check them out, you guys. Man, look at this. Kevin's NSX, you guys. Ooh, finally done. All right, you guys. Well, there you have it. The NSX is new and it's fresh. It's ready to hit the streets. Cruise with us. I'll see you.